Hello everybody, how you doing? This is Fahad and this video is about the text formatting in CSS. In this video, we're gonna learn about the text properties in CSS. We're gonna learn about the color, alignment, decoration, transformation, spacing, and the shadow. Alright, so I have to create element selector first for the paragraph. For the color, I have to use the color property, and this is how you can change the color of your text. Okay, now text alignment. There are the different values for the text alignment. You can align it into the center. You can align it into the left, right, and we also have the justify. Okay, what will the justify value do? It will stretch out the lines to make them look equal, and you can see the different. Now each line have the same width. Alright, so this is how we can use the justify. Now we have to use the text decoration. Okay, in the text decoration we have the three different values: underline, okay, and overline. Alright, and we have line through. Okay, so these are the three values of text decoration. This is how you use the text decoration. I just want to go with underline, I guess, for now. We have done the text decoration. Now it's time to do the text transformation. In the text transformation, you have the three different values. The one is the uppercase, and one for the lowercase, and one last we have the capitalize. Okay, so this is how we can transform the text. And now we have the text shadow. So in the text shadow we have to write some values. The first value for the horizontal shadow and second value for the vertical shadow. Let me just run this. Okay, so this is how you can use the shadow values. I know this looks creepy, but this is the way it is. Okay, so you can give a color. I want to give it blue color. Okay, if you just add the third value here after the second value, it will create a blur effect. This is how it clears the blur effect. Okay, and last we have the text spacing. So we have to use the spacing properties. So first would be the text indention. What is the indent? It creates the space before starting your first line is the indention, kind of indention or kind of spacing. So if I just add the 20 px, it will create the 20 pixel space on the starting side of the first line. If I just write the 50, it will create a space of the 50 pixels from the starting of the first line. Okay, so this is how the indentation work. And we have the letter spacing. For letter spacing, I would love to give it a value of 3 pixels. This is how the letter spacing work. We also have the word spacing, so I would love to have the 2 pixels for the word spacing. We also have the line height. Okay, if you want to increase the gap between the lines, you can increase it here. I would love to give it a 10 px. I should give it a more value. It would be 40. I think 30 would be fine. Okay, so this is how you can declare the line height. And one last thing, I guess, the white space. Okay, if you have a kind of white space in your paragraph, so no ref will remove that all white space for you. Okay, what the no ref value had done here, that it put all the values on the first line. So this is how the white space work. If you want to go with the normal, you can give it a normal value. And we also have the other values. If you want to give, it would be pre-line. Let's just see. We also have the pre-wrap. Okay, so you can play with these different values of the white space. I think we have covered all the properties for the text formatting. If you really find the video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.